We'll guide you through how to edit text in Google Slides. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move to the search bar and type Google Chrome into it. When the search results appear, click to open Google Chrome on your computer so that the browser launches properly. After the browser launches, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the window. Type Google Slides in the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard to search for the website. From the search results that appear, click on the official Google Slides website to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. Once the website opens, make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can create and edit presentations without any limitations. After logging in, the Google Slides home feed will appear, displaying your recent presentations, templates, and other available options. On this page, you can create a blank presentation or choose an existing presentation template or a file from your recent projects. For this tutorial, we will start with a project from the recent presentations section so you can learn how to edit an existing file more efficiently. Click on one of the presentations listed under Recent Presentations, and a presentation you selected will open in the editing interface. Once it is open, look at the list of slides displayed on the left side of the screen. Find and select the slide that contains the text you want to edit. Click on that slide, and the main view will automatically update to show the selected slide in a larger workspace. Next, move your cursor over the specific text you want to change. As you hover over the text, your cursor will change shape into a capital letter I, indicating that the text is editable. Once the cursor changes, left-click on your mouse or touchpad to activate the text box. After clicking, you can begin editing the text directly within the text box. You can delete, replace, or add new text as needed, allowing you to fully customize the content on that slide according to your preferences. This method ensures your presentation remains clear, updated, and aligned with your intended message or purpose.